Okay, this experiment is called fireworks in a jar. Blake, can you take this little cup of oil and dump it into the big jar? Good. Macy, look at the oil. Look what it's doing. Look at the cup. Okay. What's the oil doing in there? Can you tell
turning it into bubbles.
Can you tell the difference between the oil and the water?
It explodes.
Kind of. Did the oil stay at the top or the bottom?
The bottom.
The oil?
At the top.
Yeah. Okay, Macy, can you put some squirts of yellow in here?
Yeah.
That's good, honey. Stop. Okay, Blake, can you do a squirt of green? A couple squirts of green?
I just do this one.
That's good, Blake. Okay,
do
Macy, can you do some squirts of red?
Yeah.
That's good. And Blake, can you do your squirts of blue? Okay, let's see what's happening.
Like they're gonna turn into balls? Look.
Look at them. Oh, they're kind of exploding like fireworks.
Do they turn into balls?
What?
They're probably gonna turn into balls.
Maybe. Oh, they're kind of all blending together.